French's Farm in the kitchen again. Today I am canning Hoppin John. I don't know if you've ever heard of it before, but it is so delicious. I'll tell you what's in it. Black-eyed peas, onions, garlic, bell peppers, bacon, diced tomatoes, dried parsley. You can use chicken bouillon if you want to, but you certainly don't have to if you're watching your salt. Canning salt and black pepper and hot water. So I have all of my ingredients here that I am chopping up presently. I've got some of the onions cut. I'm going to save all of the scraps from my onions and peppers and the ends of the parsley to boil later on when I get enough to make vegetable stock. And so that's what I'm doing today. It is January 1st. So what a better time to cook black-eyed peas than today. So that's what I'm doing. And I'm going to can outside on the porch. These have to be pressure canned. I'm going to can these outside on the porch. And hopefully that I can let them cool off enough outside so that when I take the lid off, my jars don't bust. But it's not cold here right now. So it is, yeah, it's 66 degrees here right now. So I'm going to can those outside on the porch, pressure can, because I have the glass cooktop, if you remember. And bring those inside. I'm going to bring the whole canner inside and let those cool down for a good while. And then I'll open the lid and take those jars out and let them cool. But let's pay attention to this shirt right now. One of our daughters gave us this for Christmas, and I absolutely love it. And it makes me think that I need to get some merchandise for sale in our shop online. So yeah, I'm really thankful to have these. It turned out really pretty. We were surprised. We didn't know that we were getting these for Christmas, and we love them. So I'm going to get started canning this Hoppin John, or cutting up the stuff to can the Hoppin John. I do have my peas soaking, but I'm not going to let them soak long. They've been soaking about 30 minutes, and I think that's as far as I'm going to go with that, because they'll finish cooking inside the pressure canner. Hoppin John is almost up to 10 pounds of pressure. We have just a tiny bit more to go. And as soon as that comes up to 10 pounds of pressure, I will set my timer and process these pint jars for 75 minutes. Here we are, 10 pounds of pressure. It's just a little bit above 10 pounds. So I'm gonna turn the heat down a little bit and just monitor this for a few minutes and make sure that it stays at 10 pounds of pressure. If the pressure ever goes below 10 pounds of pressure, you've got to start over. So we want to monitor it and make sure that it stays at 10 pounds of pressure during the entire 75 minutes that it's processing. If it falls below 10 pounds of pressure, you have to start over. You have to start your timer over. You have to bring it back up to 10 pounds of pressure and then start your timer over again. So that's very important when you're canning. So this is the Hoppin John. You can see it's still hot as can be. We just took it out of the canner, and it processed for 75 minutes, and then I turned it off and let it sit and release the pressure naturally. And when it got to 0 pressure, Mark took the lid off and got these out. So yeah, we wound up with 14 of them. They look really good.